If you're hearing a creaking noise, a clunking noise, and it's coming from your car, well, one thing it could possibly be struts.
Shocks, struts.
Okay.
Some part of the suspension.
That's one of the few ways people, maybe they know there's something wrong with it. What happens if they don't take care of it? Why should they take care of it? How will you help them take care of it?
Well, suspension is really, really important. That's what allows the wheels to move and keeps everything on the ground. Shocks and struts keep the tires from bouncing, so they spend the most period of the time on the ground. For stopping, for turning, it's a big deal. If you hear a clunk, it means something's worn. There's excessive play. There's movement, wear somewhere there shouldn't be. That could be dangerous.
Okay.
So you never want to take a clunk lightly, because if
I'm gonna get a T-shirt. I think it's a T-shirt. Never take a clunk lightly.
Right?
Oh, it's great. Oh,
yeah. And if whatever's clunking happens to fail completely, it could cause loss of control.
Okay.
And where you couldn't steer, the vehicle anymore, and that could be, you don't want to be in that situation. So,
all right.
So don't ignore clunks. But even bouncy, if you can't turn like you're supposed to, or if it takes you longer to stop than it should, that's an unsafe condition as well. So they're all really important, and we do that stuff well.
How long does it take to get that repaired or replaced if I need it replaced?
It depends. Usually within a day.
Okay. And can you actually repair them, or if something's wrong, it's got to be replaced, right?
It all depends on what's available.
Okay.
It used to be that ball joints. You remember the day, the ball joints, every car had 4 ball joints, one upper, one lower on both sides. In a lot of cases nowadays, the ball joint's part of the control arm. Ball joint goes bad, you got to replace the whole control arm.
Yeah.
Bushing goes bad, you replace the control arm. You can't buy the bushing anymore. That's just the way things are going.
All right.
But it all depends on what's available.
Yeah.
And we'll recommend what option makes the most sense for the customer.
Okay. Well, thanks a lot for sharing, Brian, and thank you for watching.